Wales, my country, fair, passionate, welcoming and full of community spirit.
For me, Plaid Cymru is the party that celebrates our Cymreicdod, our Welshness the most. So it's kind of like the natural political home, I guess, for people who believe in Wales as an independent nation. I think what's really special about Welsh identity is that it celebrates inclusivity, positivity and a sense of community. If people who want, like me, who want a progressive and inclusive Wales, Plaid Cymru is the party for that. So yeah, that's why I vote Plaid Cymru.
Plaid Cymru is building a Wales for all, one that's more equal, fair and prosperous, where we can really get to grips with the issues facing us, issues that are being made worse by the economic crisis that's being forced upon us by Westminster. And it's our hard-working communities that will pay the price as the cost of living crisis hits the roof. You and I know that Wales deserves better.
Plaid Cymru for me is a really inclusive, welcoming party. It's very accepting. It's almost like a family of people that truly look after you and try and build you up. I've grown up in the Rhondda, so Valley's a massive community. I've been able to be close to Cardiff, so kind of a massive hub of what I believe Wales truly is, which is a massive community that welcomes everyone. Very big part of my identity has been being Welsh and being able to just welcome people into your community as much as you can, which is what I think Wales truly does best.
I'm proud to be Welsh and I'm proud to be from my community, but we're not being served by those in power. And that's why all those years ago I left the Labour Party and now proudly serve my community as a Plaid Cymru member in the Senedd. Because Plaid Cymru is the only party that really cares about communities like mine. The only party that has a vision for the Wales of today and tomorrow. We're putting more money in people's pockets through free school meals for primary school children and free childcare for 2-year-olds, and showing the difference that we can make when Wales has the powers it needs.
It is all about fairness. I think that Wales as a country, we are generally quite a fair country. We believe in what's right, and that's what's important for me, that everybody, no matter your background, your race, your sexuality, that we celebrate that and that we are accepting. I think for me, Plaid celebrates everything that I find special about Wales. At the base of everything, it is celebrating Wales as its own independent nation, and that's what it is for me, that I want the best for us, and I think that's what Plaid wants as well. Plaid is the party for Wales and party of Wales, and it just sums up everything that I feel and want for us as a nation.
Because Plaid Cymru is the party that's there to represent everybody who calls Wales their home. Whoever you are, wherever you're from, no matter your faith, colour or creed, whatever language you speak, be that English or Cymraeg, the Westminster establishment will never work for Wales. It's never worked for communities like ours. It's only ever served itself. So let us look forward together. Only Plaid Cymru can build a Wales for all our people, one that's more equal, prosperous and sustainable, independent from the chaos of Westminster. This winter, put your trust in a party that is on your side. Put your trust in Plaid Cymru and for the Cymru that we will all build together.